Hello and welcome to this new video about programming Python in block. You will find the full list on the description below. In this video, we will see together the while loop. The while loop in Python is used to iterate over a block of code as long as the test expression or condition is true. This is the program that we saw already last time. It displays the message hello world 10 times. Now we'll do the same but with the while loop. Here we don't have a counter, so I will create one and initialize it to 0. So in the loop I will iterate until I reach 9. So in total it will be 10 hello message. In every loop the structure will check the condition. If it is true, the blocks inside will be executed. And inside the loop I need to increment by 1 my counter. Now let's test our program. And this is the same result as the previous program. Now we will make a program that asks you if you want to continue. If you press on the Y key, the program will execute some instructions and ask you one more time the same question. Here, if the pressed key is Y, the blocks inside the while loop will be executed. Here, the instruction that will be repeated is the message hello world. And this is the result. It is also still possible to improve it. Now we will make a program that makes the sum of numbers that the user will type. The problem is that we don't know how many numbers he has. So, after reading every number, the program will ask him if he wants to continue. This variable will contain the sum. It will be initialized to 0. In the beginning, I will ask for the number. After that, I will add that number to the sum. Now we will ask the user if he wants to continue. If he types Y, he will be asked to type a number. This process will continue until he types a key different from Y. In the end, I will display the sum. And this is the final result. In the end, I hope that you liked the video and see you soon. Bye.